Hello there, future space explorers. Are you ready for an out-of-this-world adventure? Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered what's out there? The twinkling stars, the glowing moon, and the vast darkness? It's all so mysterious and exciting. Well, get ready because today we're going to blast off into space. That's right, we're going to explore the wonders of rockets, satellites, and incredible space missions. Rockets are like giant space vehicles that take astronauts and equipment into space. They are powerful and fascinating machines that have made space exploration possible. So buckle up and let's get started. Imagine you're an astronaut getting ready for an exciting journey beyond our planet. First up, let's talk about rockets. These amazing machines are designed to overcome Earth's gravity and travel into space. Rockets are super cool machines that launch astronauts into space. They are built with powerful engines that generate enough thrust to lift off the ground and soar into the sky. The engines burn fuel to create a massive amount of energy, propelling the rocket upwards. Imagine strapping yourself into a rocket and feeling the rumble as it roars to life. Can you hear that? It's the sound of adventure and the beginning of an incredible journey. Next, we have satellites. These are like the eyes and ears of space, helping us understand more about our planet and the universe. Now, satellites might not have astronauts on them, but they're incredibly important. They orbit around Earth and collect valuable data that helps us in many ways. From weather forecasting to communication, satellites play a crucial role in our daily lives. For example, did you know that satellites help us make phone calls, watch TV, and even find our way with GPS? They send signals that guide us and keep us connected. They're like little helpers in the sky, working hard to keep us connected. Without satellites, many of the technologies we rely on today wouldn't be possible. And now let's talk about space missions. These are amazing journeys where astronauts travel to space to learn more about our universe. They conduct experiments, gather data, and make groundbreaking discoveries. These are amazing journeys where astronauts travel to space to learn more about our universe. They conduct experiments, gather data, and make groundbreaking discoveries. One of the most famous missions was Apollo 11, where astronauts Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin walked on the moon for the very first time. This historic event marked a giant leap for mankind. Can you imagine walking on the moon? The surface is covered in fine dust, and the gravity is much weaker than on Earth, making it feel like you're bouncing around on a giant dusty trampoline. The moonwalk was an unforgettable moment that inspired generations to dream big and reach for the stars. But space missions aren't just about visiting the moon. We've sent robots to Mars, like the Curiosity rover, to explore the red planet and search for signs of life. These robotic explorers help us understand more about our neighboring planets. There's even a mission called the International Space Station, or ISS, where astronauts live and work in space for months. The ISS is a giant laboratory in space where scientists conduct experiments that can't be done on Earth. They do all kinds of cool experiments and get to float around in zero gravity. Imagine floating around like a superhero, conducting experiments and discovering new things every day. How fun does that sound? The ISS is a place of endless discovery and adventure, where astronauts work together to push the boundaries of human knowledge. All right, my little space cadets, I hope you enjoyed our journey into space today. Remember, the universe is vast and full of wonders waiting to be explored. The sky is not the limit, it's just the beginning. Keep looking up and dreaming big, because the possibilities are endless. If you had fun, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more awesome adventures. There's so much more to learn and discover, and I can't wait to share it all with you. Until next time, keep dreaming big and reaching for the stars. Bye for now.